say Mr. Azoka oyenipa oni nentwie kun ewa Akwatia Masawudu. Now we also need to understand say the same police were attacked by a member of parliament, AFENYO Makin. We have video evidence of AFENYO Makin attacking a police officer in Ghana. It's all the new CID boss, no? I won't say also another corrupt woman. Let's get results from the investigations you did. Anyway, former Chief Justice Torkonu, only 62 years, 8 years ahead of her, can be reinstated by the next administration. You see a friend of Gloria Oforibuedu. TV so. There's one story here. Story very important. I beg you, let the government do what they want to do. Somebody is saying, how would that benefit the nation? Boss, I have a reason for saying I want to build Makaranta. You don't know the reason I have in terms of missing Makaranta. Whatever is going to build the nation, no, you can also do it. Remember Makaranta, no, your agri department, your sewing department, your vocational department, Makaranta activate womb. It is all other ones, nanka also akoye. Remember Makaranta activate count. And you don't come to the Makaranta for 5 days without learning any skill. Into remember Makaranta no activate count. Into jena se be o filia na so akosi wo Makaranta. Opa o Makaranta no memo mo nsua Quran no o Makaranta no ye de ope ho e wo problem. Inti ye nyina wo ya adwene Mr. Oboga. I let the government breathe, Mr. Now, police investigate alleged assault on NPP's vice chair, Alhaji Masawudu, during Akwatia by-election. Now, you see Akwatia police penyini oho atuenum tuo. And they almost say a year altercation. A year when a see ewo Akwatia between a year NDC chairman, vice chairman, Mr. Azoka. One Salan Nchie ewo Akwatia no. You say asemno police for ABA investigations into it. Now me na nim say nipa ni nchie ko a ye be investigations. Go nchie nipa ne ko aboa, but it's okay. Now, you say Mr. Azoka oye nipa oni nchie ko ewo Akwatia Masawudu. Now, almost be investigations into that altercation between them. And majority of Ghanaians, we saw the altercation. Now, what I want to say is I am very happy that the Ghana Police Service, irrespective of who you are, we need to open investigations and get to the bottom of it. I am for this. As much as I like Mr. Azoka, as much as basically the NDC won the elections, I am happy, no. Whatever happened there, no, the Ghana Police Service, they need to investigate. They need to, at the end of the day, come out with their investigation report. Now you exactly I was say ye fahum. So I was say you making sure say obi edi bonia say ye twina so a I was say ye twini panaso. Enti I am for this. I am for this. So nipa ni ntwe ko a you still have to investigate because sebio ebia nipa no na onim se ntwe mpo no ne ko no. Enti we need to investigate this, and I am wholeheartedly in support of this. It is a police so be investigations. Na say omo ba be hwehwem na omo ba hwe say so obi di fo a emrane nipa ne be di a I was a police hwehwem. Mr. Azoko me panasem, but if they have to do the investigations, so far investigations so I cannot sit here and say Nenchene ne dibim and I say Mr. Azoka ne dibim ebim. But what I know is that the laws must work. The laws must work. Send your baby who say Nenchene ne nipa kon ye no. Nenchene na ose ne koto my anka and I say nipa no ena sebi oye mistake. These are things we need to do. I will tell the CID boss, say I am very happy how swift are issues but say or be investigations or making sure say police for no irrespective of who is involved, you know, she makes sure say emrano it's working. And this is all that we have been asking for. We should not be selective when it comes to asamesia where you wine and where you wine where the engine is sinchain and where the police they have to do investigation. So I applaud the CID boss. Now we also need to understand say the same police were attacked by a member of parliament, AFENYO. We have video evidence of AFENYO attacking a police officer in Ghana. AFENYO is a law maker. Near Wokromha, and the minority leader AFENYO a bo police in Yasum. The police came to tell us, said they are investigating the matter. So I am urging the CID boss because me. So we need me, and that's what I mean. Me so asemua minjai until I get response. Say new CID boss ni ma onko busa ken yeboa ene eye model no. Ene eye Ozempic, eye Tiwa. I don't let things slide like that, especially when laws no I will say you diso. Because abaya di bo techino, I will say sa abana ye de boba. AFENYO assaulted a police officer who is the same as you, the CID boss. And I don't think, say, you the CID boss, you see yourself better than any police officer on duty. From the way you are a professional, the way you have conducted yourself, the way so far, what I said, the office you are occupying, you qualify to be there. We need to get results on this matter. Because you opened investigations into AFENYO assaulting a law enforcement officer. He actually slapped a police officer. This AFENYO slapping a police officer. This case, we have not heard anything about it. We want the police to come out and update us on this matter. This is the minority leader AFENYO. He stretched his hand and hit the face of a police officer. A police officer who is the same as you, the IGP, the CID boss. You sent men out. The IGP, you sent men out. You put them in front of deadly human beings like AFENYO. We all saw on camera, AFENYO assaulted a police officer. You are the CID boss. This is your first test to prove that you are not corrupt. Nkofo can sempa but you need to prove to us say you are not as corrupt as Nkofo na be you omono. You need to prove to Ghana say you are not like Tiwa, who will oversee the killing of 3 girls and still lie to Ghanaians. We don't want to see you like Nketiah, who gets drunk before he gets to the office. We don't want to see you as the model. The original Acheampong Esra the Tongue one office. You need to move the standards up. We were here when you released the statement. And I'll read the statement for Ghana Phone to see the statement you released. Besides, get me the police statement. Because I was saying Ghana Phone exactly the statement you made. Besides, get me the statement. Exactly what you said in the police statement. If AFENYO is under investigations, what has happened to that investigations? Mr. I forgot. Get me the statement. Me person me read the statement, no. It all the new CID boss, no. So one person a befrau say also, oh yeah, another corrupt woman pretending to be a very patriotic, honest CID boss. Let us get the results from the investigations you did. Because from the video I played, AFENYO assaulted a police officer. In fact, besides, I have it here. Thank you very much. This is the statement you issued as the CID boss. Now, AFENYO or a lawmaker, onye obihunu, onimumbrano into a form brana or some branity. Because Anke Kevitele the Kobo Bia Suma, Akamia Kotsino. Now, your own institution, the Ghana Police Service, after AFENYO assaulted a police, he assaulted a police officer. Azoka, oni nenchie enana edi agro. Azoka did not assault a police officer. We are talking about AFENYO, a member of parliament, a leader of the minority group, assaulting a police officer, hitting the face of a police officer. Now, this is the statement you released. Police invite Honorable Alexander AFENYO to assist investigation into viral demonstration video. You want you, the CID boss, come out with a press conference. Mayehu, how far with the investigations? Because what we saw in the video, who said he actually hit the guy's face. It's you. It's your test. Now, this is what you wrote. You said the Ghana Police Service has reviewed several video footages on an alleged assault. Fine. We are fine. Alleged assault. We are here. On an alleged assault on a public officer. On a public officer by Honorable Alexander AFENYO during the just ended demonstrations. Following the review, meaning you watched the video. Meaning you saw AFENYO punch the police officer's face. Because in your own statement, you said following the review, you have reviewed the videos. It is so good that you have acknowledged that you have videos. And it is good that you have acknowledged that you have reviewed the videos. The video we watched is the same video you watched. So we want to know from you if that video you watched is different from us. We want you to come out with your findings after you investigated AFENYO. Now, this is what you say. Following the review, the service has written to the Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament requesting the release of Honorable Alexander AFENYO to assist ongoing investigation into the alleged incident. The officer in question will also be assisting the investigation. This is the video that I played. We are not foolish. We all saw the video. In fact, we have the fast version and the slow version. Now, we have the slow version. The same video you reviewed. Now we are going to go back to the fast version. Watch it. AFENYO can obo police in it twice. He punched the police officer in uniform twice. This was a demonstration. AFENYO making on any MPP so a demonstration at Torkonu. This police officer oyerepa and a smart police and his uncle protect AFENYO making MPP for almost say osono maame Torkonu. Yeah, then president through the constitution. Ye be investigations say yehwehwe ni nsemu. AFENYO making na Ghana Police Service etu police ni agya na yere ne mba ofie. And yes, Koneko protected AFENYO making. AFENYO making ended up punching him in the face twice. It is different when the man is not wearing a uniform. It is different when he's not even in a police uniform. You saw this man standing before you, a police officer. You are a lawmaker. He has been standing in the sun for about 10 hours. Now you get to where this man is standing. In Suawo, AFENYO making, people were following you with bottled water. This police officer, for all you know, he's not eating since morning. And I'm speaking to the CID boss. You are sitting in the air condition. You put people's husbands in the sun and you sit there and you write grammar. You want to prove to us that you're credible. I want to prove to Ghana for saying you're credible. And if you are credible, you need to come out and let us know the findings in these investigations. Because I want to know who the findings in these investigations are. Then you become one of the most corrupt CID boss in Ghana. Everywhere I stand, anyone stand, you need to be called a corrupt CID boss because we have seen the video. This is a man you sent out there to protect AFENYO making and protect his likes, protect his hooligans. This man put his life on the line. Intinanka AFENYO banki kuta sekanya nkore awone kuno. Senke eyetua ene kuta AFENYO making. That small moment ne kwa boni tributu kuno. So what AFENYO making did there is the same as an armed robber taking that decision in that second. Into AFENYO making is equally, what he did can equally be compared to an armed robber killing a police officer. Because the impact at that moment, the decision he took at that moment, it could have taken the policeman's life away. Now that punch, it could have, at the end of the day, policeman kobenya seizure. Moja betume jina ni trim. For all we know, as we are speaking, moja jina police ni trim. In the next year or two, he's going to die. We cannot treat this as a normal thing. AFENYO making a police near him to slap or punching it into your man and kosa. You, the CID boss, AFENYO making is not my problem. You, this woman. You, this woman. I am going to add you to my list of people. I will remind you every day. We want to get to the bottom of this attack, this assault on Ghana Police Service, personnel, because every single police officer is watching. This is your first test. We want to get to the bottom of this. Eduane at the board, Techino, Yamfasa Eduane Moba. I'm going to promise Ghanaians every single day I'll remind Ghana of the AFENYO making investigation. And you, this CID boss, we want to know whether you are credible. And I say you are like Tiwa. And I say you are one of the most corrupt police officers who put people on the street to just go and die. Because this man could have been killed. AFENYO making would have stabbed him. He could have shot him. Because what happened in that split second, not police in their life, was at stake. You were sitting in your air-conditioned office. As simple as it should be, we want the Ghana Police Service to come and brief us. Because this investigations are starting. You cannot tell us that you have not finished these investigations. Every single day, I will remind you. Because so when Prevent says is not to cover up your criminal dealings, then you are not going to be allowed to be the CID boss of Ghana. You are a very beautiful woman. I respect you a lot. Recently, we congratulated you and the Africa Interpol. You had what to so. But do they know what you are doing at home? You don't know what you are doing at home, covering up crime, protecting politicians, assaulting police officers in uniform, and you keeping the file in your office. We want you to come out with the investigation report. We all saw the video. You have seen the video. At least you told us you have reviewed the video. I don't think we, the rest, we are blind. I don't think we are stupid. Whatever we saw is the same thing you saw. So we expect you not to play on our conscience and make us look stupid. You being a CID boss does not make you intelligent than us. We all have the same eye. We all saw what happened. So you cannot come back and tell us what is not there, because we all saw what has happened. And every single police officer is watching. Because if action is not taken, if consequences, people don't feel the consequences, the next day, AFENYO will pick a gun and kill a police officer, because you, the CID boss, you have enabled him. Now, if you don't take action on this, if you people don't make sure that the consequences are applied, AFENYO now will go out with a gun to kill a police officer. AFENYO is not just a mere Lilliput or a mere Apetekura. He is the minority leader of the weakest, foolish minority group in parliament. And he is also a lawmaker. He's also a lawyer, a stupid lawyer. So you people should give us answers. I'll be back to you, madam. Your niceness, it cannot cover up your crimes. Your niceness cannot cover up your incompetence. You are in the hot seat. This is your first test to prove to us that you are not the same as those people we were screaming at. The police service needs resetting. IGP the minyamba and so. The IGP, I'm member and so yet. I will have time for him. The IGP, I will have time for him. But for now, we are waiting for the investigation report. And this is what Ghanaian journalists, they don't tell you people. Because majority of them. So they cannot tell you the truth. Media, when you do the right thing, I'll tell you, you are one of the people, when the president appointed, I sat here and applauded the president. And to prove yourself, this is your first test. This video, we saw a member of parliament assault a police officer in uniform like yourself. Or striking police in twice. You cannot tell me nothing happened. CID boss, you cannot just sit there and say we didn't see anything. Hey, Kaikroman can unko. Anka police now would you know. Anka man for be who say police you don't deserve to wear the uniform. Oh dear, Opa Betra report catch say you didn't see anything. Kaobeti. Consequences, no. We need to see it. Now, I want to kill some jandam. Mami we, you see a friend of Gloria Ofori Bedu. Ofori Buedu. Or sorry, I know I shall wake tan. My better TV so. Now, about TV so or say or your lawyer and women's right advocate. Your friend of Gloria Ofori Buedu. They be no better TV3. Near Busa say or your wine or say or your lawyer and women's right advocate. Sa title no deba TV so beka politics. Ajeba kwa time on one and away gawashe. Asiedu pepa kurabem. Ya de pepa kurabem owi ana washe. Ajeba kwa time on one and away gesh. Tan. Asiedu me say na way ya de from mefe. Near the pepa kurabem. Na wade ahye ni ti. Now, Mumian Kona asem so. Endra, ye azato asem. Emma Munina who that guy is. That guy is a liar. Sir, Zato is a one. He's a liar. Don't listen to that guy. Bawumia promising no education minister. And right exposing Magana for you know or your MPP ni. Now, Madam Murphy, the three is Murphy the people crabim. Ne wig tan. Basa or the butu the tia as wa bodam. Yes. Yes, Otuvo's son has failed law school exams. Is under pressure to resign as the SRC president. This one I need to confirm. I say in Canada, Rosa. Say Otuvo's son has failed law school exams and is under pressure to resign as SRC president. Messiah, look into that for me. In Canada, we judge in the Sunday me. I'm Supreme Court judge Bawku, Madam. Oh, Ethiopia. On the Sunday me. A former Supreme Court judge. I'm a former Supreme Court judge. My body a very vocal man. He used to be a Supreme Court judge. A very vocal man, yeah. Or can I do it every time? Madam for a former Supreme Court judge. So Osadim said Otumfuo's son has failed law school exams. And that he's under pressure to resign as the president of right now. Their honor, your Lord, my Lord. I don't. This one there, I don't agree. My Lord, this one there. My Lord, this one you need to elaborate. Yeah, let's move. We'll deal with that later. Now, Mamiwe, former Chief Justice Gertrude Torkonu is only 62 years, has 8 years ahead of her. She can be reinstated by the next administration. Mamiwe Kotina TV3 in there. Asime Frina no buy and say, oh, Torkonu bonu awe di ayacheno ayapamono no. Oje Torkonu di 62 pe. Torkonu nya abotre over 8 more years. Aban sisa next year, next 4 years na yedina saba be Chief Justice. We or sorry no the Mafia gunitiri so. Me say we get no or the paper krabem. Tan. Wig tan. Did you get me the video? Listen to this woman. Mo hwe no asemo karo TV3 ni.
I also will assure her that since she's only 62, our Chief Justice has not even turned 63. She has 8 years ahead of her. If there's any
in terms of what?
In terms of the opportunity to continue serving as Chief Justice. Okay. So if there's any new administration, then her situation could be looked at, because as we said, 3 petitions came. One of them cannot even be identified. I'm told there's something called shining stars, whether it's a human being, whether it's a spirit, whether it's a ghost, whether it's an alien, you know, we haven't located them. And then you will also believe that if it's 3 petitions, then this committee, which has already been alleged to be compromised, will have looked at the 3 petitions. But they didn't. So the chief, the people talk and they are giving the patients and all the attention, and I can't talk. I'm making my point. After you asked me to come and talk. Yes.
But I want to ask you a question.
So I haven't finished. So because of that, the Chief Justice, hello, can you hear me? Yes. So because of that, the Chief Justice has 8 years ahead of her. She can be reinstated by the next administration, especially considering the so-called unethical implications hanging on the 5-member committee, and also considering that some of the petitioners could not even be located, and all that. So all these anomalies, which we can go into, but which we don't have time, will guarantee that she's reinstated. So she should hold her peace. This whole anomaly will be expunged from our judicial history. Because now when you go on Google and all that, it's hanging there as history. It will be expunged.
It will not be expunged.
Okay, now I've landed, so you can talk.
The internet does not forget. It will not be expunged.
No, but
Eti, mami we yefrano Gloria Oforibuedu. Oba TV3 so also a lawyer. Makachrevo. They no can you say, oh, Torkonu, we this 62 pe onya abotre. Aka 8 years krampo ansa na bi akọ retirement. Onya abotre na enche. Next 4 years aban besesa. Omesa be any Chief Justice. Or say or a lawyer or a women's right advocate. onye MPP ni already okasa ema Ghana emma ene osaye mranim ni one de Ghana de ono onye politics. Alternative to the be me I don't do politics. Media politics they know. Media me fa me ho frofra politics. Enti media me beka de nokure ewom. We also are a lawyer, remember? Obedient TV so say friend women's right advocates. Okasama ma and on the on your politics, on your MPP, on your NDC. But two Torkonu for say 4 years time, no, a buying from a bar, the statement ni emphatic. Or say a buying from a sa abba, a buying the bar because say anka buy way else na so 8 years, it means to say a buy way free so 8 years. Where a buy way in court now buy now say 8 years now so, but from 8 years now can meaning a buy from a bar before 8 years. Na ono nada for Torkonu. Na ye the Torkonu ay den. Torkonu as a chief justice. We Bawumia promise no. Maslock. We upon Betna TV you say Bawumia promising the Maslock. You are promising the Maslock. Now do you know who this woman is? You see the NPP. Almost on TV3 BM. They are doing something. Bawumia promising mami we Maslock. Aye. Into about TV so or see oh on MPP ni. Now this is the woman who was talking. Onye. Now say we go for TV so be very careful. Lawyer Gloria Oforibuedu assures to maximize NPP votes in Ebuakwa South. From 2012, and we contested MPP primaries. Yeah, there you go. From 2012, we contested Attachia, sir. We went to Attachia, and a Kinsla Jiman. And soon as he scholarship secretariat, and we be to Attachia. 20, Mami way, or your MPP, we contested MPP primaries. Ebuakwa North. We contested from 2012. Nina we wini. Into alternative source, or a lawyer and women's right advocate. Or bois. She's an MPP communicator. Only way tan. Only. Or contested primaries, no lose. Or contested primaries, MPP card bearing member. The same woman, Onye. Gloria Oforibuedu files nomination to contest in the Ebuakwa South NPP primaries. Date show Monday, 25th December 2023. Obeka Chira say onye MPP ni omo ya trofo, omo ya dangerous human beings. Omo ya ewudifo. Party no omo nko SSO. They don't go to SS. Enti party no dodo no mo Jimmy. Enti obi aba also a lawyer. Obi also me call law school. Kwasie bia ga say or a lawyer or call law school party so the party is made up of nkwasiafo. That is the MPP. Wait, or your MPP ni here another one. This woman. Obetra TV3 Eastern Region disqualified MP aspirant. Gloria Oforibuedu accuses MPP of dictatorial tendencies. They are disqualifying no. 2020, I'm disqualifying no. Or catch the MPP for some young kwasiafo. And the TV say or a women's right advocate. Yeah. Also, ya no pa na ne wig no start to share wig tantan no. Wig tantan de Ebuakwa nota. Wig tantan sa na frɛ no. Wig tantan. Wig tantan. Wig tantan sa na frɛ aka wig tantan. Or start to share wig tantan nyende we or your MPP ni. It is out in a picture to her. Now so I find a picture wa her. Sorry. We see another monster. Now before picture we. Now busa ho say na hwe title sha ase or say oye lawyer and women's right advocate. Osaba haswa ya disqualified as MPP parliamentary aspirant. Inti how do you trust such a creature? We Bawumia are promising a Maslock. She's a lecturer at where? It is home. These are the dangerous, also they are political insects. Now there's something the MPP they are doing. You see right now, the MPP cannot send. Oh, sorry. She started chasing the Ebuakwa North seat 2008. 2008. And I'm way. I started say, oh, chasing Ebuakwa North City to come to parliament. Our MPP Dimu as an MPP member. 2008. What primaries want to be the parliamentary candidate from 2008. Now we move brain kwasi afọ mu the MPP na ya wo mo. 70% of Monkwara Mudi MPP Moton Fianfia, Moton Kankan Jimmy for in Petekuma. Mami we study say all contestants obey MPP flag bearer. Parliamentary candidate. Ewo Ebuakwa North 2008. And on start to say, Chesi Atachia or Pesiti no. Na ya womo and then kwasi afford to TikTok ka say, yeah party. Who the party nim? Now the MPP they have a strategy now. The strategy is that the strategy MPP for AFENYO say right now, no, Mr. Get me Azato's picture. Get me, let me merge the two. These are political, they are insects. Obralo mbe omo do nomini kapre. And omo say na be money just in code money in kwasiafo they want some of the money. They are close to retirement. Almost sorry no patututu no munjare na hu omo a as a before. O 2 week na anopatututu huna. No bad him no huna. Missy way o 2 dancing grind no to twene. Na anopatututu on tree makeup no 2 dancing grind to ho. Na o hram no bad him no huno. I say ke gong. Way. Tan. Akwa we on zato. They say my mentor strategy MPP for issue mafa. On say Zatosuni. Almost on got TV3 and ameboa. See them as MPP communicators. Zatosuni also per se obey parliamentary candidates. Ewa Upper East. Zatosuni. Sanko for me anyway. Omu dangerous criminals. Sanko for me anyway. Omu dangerous. Sanko for me anyway. These two people. Who am I gunning? But Zatos already a lecturer at Legon. Political science department. Mami will say a lawyer and women's rights advocate. Sanko for me, my minister Dini. Sa onusuloni. Sure. Ego for me anyway. Dangerous. Two dangerous individuals. Zato. And it's Mami way. When you see them on TV3, gunning. Now the strategy is MPP for the so almost TV3 BM. And right now, no, they are failed parliamentary candidates, you know, and almost rebranding almost lecturers, lawyers. They should go and represent them on TV3. I feel what you say. Now, what they are doing, and they say they are failed parliamentary candidates, you know, and that's a Siano. Oh, what am I doing? I want to put them in the MPP colors. Senebeya Obiabe who they are. Yes. Oh, besides, what am I doing here? Okay. Now, in conform anyway, Gloria Enizato. We have failed MPP card bearer member, failed parliamentary aspirants. What they are doing now, they say, MPP say omomba TV3 biom omni TV3 ni asa ntide bia o share nantwie na ya ko TV3 nantwie so wajimi on MPP for no omo say nantwie ya asa no wa bem ya just on so nantwie we jimi. What they are doing is omo nkofo a omo abab say ombedi parliamentary candidate omo nyina fail no and omo rebrand omo nyina ukwa akasa o lawyer o women's right advocate zato ukwa akasa o lecturer o mu nya ba omi na small. All these junkies, Bawumia sent them. So the MPP is fully represented on TV3 morning show. They are fully represented. The NPP in call for the show, and they are lying to Ghanaians. Sanko for me anyway. So how can you tell me say Minji Sanko for we only as for mo kind of correct? Intending and the mami wejina waka say I Madam Torkonu aka 8 years o dey China Bawumia mbra yabesa mo akodi nkwasi asem no Supreme Court. That is what she's saying. Mami na di nkwasi asem e ma Ghana Constitution atwe to akonwa Now we from one lawyer now do Jimmy TV so say I what the bonia we didn't fire home because of MPP in the fie. Now next election ye we near aside the work for na saba betina Supreme Court. Where so a lawyer? Now a lawyer party bemu or a lawyer or MPP. These are junkies. These are political jobbers. Usho mwa omu age na ko enimo. Oma hwe kire hu se omu di bibia ho. Omu di omu to MPP no mu hu eye de Miracle Abuaje. Senior utumi making $7 million free Bawumia in election 2024. Omuhwe na B. Senior utumi edi garam se nye sika. Omuhwe kodua senior utumi de eye de party general secretary nye sika. Omuhwe party am say na small boys say Jimmy Fuo krom utumi kasa no. Until they have rebranded themselves representing the MPP on TV3. Into these people when you see them on TV3, see them as MPP members, parliamentary aspirants. Mami we chesi ebuakwa not since 2008. Enkwasi ama omote TikTok omo ye dedema MPP. Bu so omo say omo yi aben. They are small kids. Omo Jimmy. So small boys and small girls omo TikTok say ya MPP for ye ne kasama Bawumia me sibu so omo say omo yi aben. Ya omo yi aben. Obi ane wodu 30 years. Enkwara Jimmy for mo ton kan. Draw straight fruit of the loom for. Mami we started chasing ebuakwa not seat. Near wo 90% of Nketiah from the MPP. Say ye yebeji MPP. Ye yebeji MPP. Inti na me baya me masem ye tiawa. Me be kiraw abmonsamfo omo Ghana. We chasing ebuakwa not for 27 years. 27 years. From 2008. And mami we chasing ebuakwa not 27 years. Zato, we chased it almost 12 years. They want to be MPP MPs. They all didn't get it. Today they are on TV telling you they are professionals. They don't speak for the MPP. Or that they are saying that Ghana, we should listen to them. Yeah, political jobbers. In today, we are TV, Sunni radio, Sunni Facebook, YouTube, that can say there are political insects in Ghana. And they say, women I may refer to. These are the political insects. They can destroy a nation. They give political malaria. Women what we call political malaria. We are dangerous. Don't underestimate them. They are liars. Jack. I mentioned my dear for Nyanku. Women they saw momu nipa. If you don't trust them, Alaji. MPP for no crack catcher say when you kuma.
Se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a Coalition Center na kobo Electoral Commission for ho ba ye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a Coalition Center na kobo Electoral Commission for ho ba ye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a Coalition Center na kobo Electoral Commission for ho ba ye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a Coalition Center na kobo Electoral Commission for ho ba ye den eman se wani kuma kokoda se wo hwe na wani nkum so a Coalition Center na kobo Electoral Commission for ho ba ye den eman
So when you kuma yesro kokoda. When you come so a train near you show no simple. And people say MPP for what you who lose elections. On go for open news. What $7 million? Miracle Abuaje, what ya to ye? When you say about me, Jimmy, ye lose elections. No can be beach MPP for. What do you have a TV so can so many kuma monkoda? Na de ni kuno or go Electoral Commission come on buy. Wait Jimmy. MPP bye. 2024 now. O party losing by 2 million votes. No, what are now leading Bawumia campaign? A man for Penkurashe Keke Kabibi. Come and tell them, my fellow Kukudites, we are still in a fight. In fact, from the data we are checking from our coalition center, things look bright. We are very sure from the work we have done, from all the policies that we implemented, our flagship programs, and our candidate, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who is a wizard in economics. We know we have won the elections. We just want the EC to come out with a final figure. The NPP is a party that believes in victory. So I being here is basically the flag bearer speaking to you. We are still confident we win the elections. In Nketiah, yeah. As one guess how. Oba no say hello.
So when you kuma kokoda. So we na when you nkumu so a coalition center na kobo Electoral Commission for ho baye den emaye. So when you kuma kokoda. So we na when you nkumu so a coalition center na kobo Electoral Commission for ho baye den emaye. So when you kuma kokoda. So we na when you nkumu so a coalition center na kobo Electoral Commission for ho baye den emaye.
Say e go for mo jibie. Me say we mo any political party o. E jimi fo kuo omuni nyansa. They can't manage any situation. Just say Jimmy now mommy Ghana Law School kakra because